discuss about Java nested if statement, syntax, program, flow diagram, and then real-time scenarios where nested if should be used. So the basic definition of Java nested if statement is if block within another if block. If suppose if you have a condition that needs to be satisfied, if one condition is satisfied, then you could use Java nested if. So that's the statement, that's the definition. If block within another if block. So the syntax is as follows: if condition 1, if the condition is getting satisfied, then we will try to execute some statements. In those statements there would be another condition. If condition 2, if the next condition also gets getting satisfied, then we will try to execute the code. So this is the flow diagram. So sorry, this is the syntax, this is the flow diagram. So condition 1 is true means condition 2 would be checked. If the condition 2 is also true means block 2 code would be executed. If the condition 1 is false means then finally it would skip the entire process and it will try to execute the remaining code. If the condition 1 is true but condition 2 false is, it will try to execute the, sorry, I think I missed something. No, if condition 2 false means it will try to execute the remaining code. So we will try to explain this using this program. Here this is the fragment that we are trying to focus on. So here if age greater than equal to 0, that's the first statement, that's the first condition. If this condition is getting satisfied, then we will try to execute a set of statements which is present inside this floor bracket. So in this floor bracket what we are trying to do is we are trying to check another condition. If age lesser than 18, if age lesser than 18 means that's another condition, that's the second condition. If the condition is also getting satisfied, then we will try to execute the set of statements which are present inside this open and close space, open and close floor brackets. If the first condition is true but a second condition is false, then we will try to execute the statement which are present inside this else block. If you run this program, if you run this program, so I will try to give the input as 10. If you run this, you will see the output as you are a minor. The reason behind it is 10 greater than 0, the first condition is true, and then it will try to check the second condition which is 10 lesser than 18. So the condition is also getting satisfied. So it will try to execute the statement which are present inside this open and close floor bracket, which is you are a minor. And then I am trying to run this program once again with another input. Here now I am going to give the input as 18. If I run this program, you could see the output as you are a major. The reason behind that is 18 greater than 0, so this condition is getting satisfied. It will try to check the another condition. If age lesser than 18, 18 equal to 18, 18 is not less than 18, so this condition is getting failed. So the statements which are present in the else block would be executed, which is you are a major. So that's why we are seeing the output as you are a major. If you are trying to run this program once again with another input called minus 10, so you would see the output as invalid age. The reason behind is if age greater than equal to 0, so which is minus 10 greater than equal to 0, condition false. So the statements which are present inside this floor open and close floor brackets won't be executed. It would execute only the else block statements. So the statements which are present inside the else block is invalid age. That's why we are seeing the output as invalid age. Thanks for watching.